And the truly honest answer is I don't know. I don't know how it's going to set us apart. I'm taking a gamble that it will. I
Mm.
mean, I look at my marketing numbers. I look at why people say they choose us. I look at all those things. And what I found, and this is my site, not anybody else's. You've got to look at your own numbers. But I found that close to half of the clients I have in house now are either previous clients that have come back, they're clients that have decided to add an additional unit or more to what they originally purchased, or they are people that have been referred by a
Mhm.
client. I think to generate that word of mouth number, it takes more than just asking for it. You do have to ask for it, but um, you have to provide some sort of service for them because the 10-foot by 10-foot cube of air is the same everywhere. Mine's air conditioned. Some people don't care about that. Some people do. But it's the connection between the people. People sell the units. People service the units. People pack their stuff in the units. I think that connection between the people is at least as important as the cube of air.